Okay, let's get started with some tool presets and just the concept of tool presets. You'll see all the tools that we organized here on the toolbar. So that's customizable for many reasons. So you don't have to repeatedly do things. And you can order things and grab them the way that you can. Zoom tends to be my thing that I use a lot. You've got the Scrubby Zoom. That is what that checkbox at the very top, when you look at the top bar, and all the options you have for your Zoom tool. So these are toolbars. That is where you find your tools. This is Scrubby Zoom, and you can check it on and off in the top bar. When you do uncheck the Scrubby Zoom, you can zoom in by putting in pixels and clicking and dragging, and you can click the Scrubby Zoom again and get the Scrubby Zoom back. I don't customize the preset for the zoom. This next one is the hand tool, and that's just like if you're grabbing something, you can grab it and rotate it, you can grab it and push it, you can grab it and throw it. That's just like your hand. The shortcut for hand tool, if you want to toggle between the hand tool and the zoom tool because you're looking at some different areas and you want to get to them real quick, you can do H for the hand tool, not the move, H. And that is just showing you here that it's just your view that is changing. This is not a crop. This is not a rotate. These are just your views. So I use these as my cursory search through the latent print card that is scanned, or the image. So I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can use the hand tool, I can rotate it around, just as if I've had this card in my hand and I was twirling it around. But I'm using a mouse instead of my hands. So play with the different tools that are on your toolbar. Line them up to where you would want to get them. You can put them on the bottom. Again, you can put them on the screen if you want to. It's all up to you. It doesn't matter. This is your workspace, and you can design it however you want.